Hello. Today I'll be showcasing how Telmai integrates with the Databricks Unity Catalog. If you're not familiar with the Unity Catalog, it's Databricks solution to showcase their customers the different tables and datasets that they have, plus some other metadata and permissioning on that. The way how we plug in with the Databricks Unity Catalog is through a Chrome extension. This extension will look at what table you're looking at, and then we'll overlay some information plus give you more details in terms of observability and data quality. Let me right away jump into a demo and give you more details. Over here, I'm looking at Databricks Unity Catalog. I'm looking at the catalog called Hive Meta Store, looking at the schema called Default, and over there I can see three different tables. On the top right corner, I have this new plugin that we created called Telmai. So I just configured this app. So let me go and just refresh the page. As soon as I did that, I can see some different details coming in from Telmai. So for the first table, I see a green check mark, which means everything is good. There are no alerts. For the second table, I see an X with a 1, which means there's one alert. And for the last table, again, I see a green check mark, which means everything is good. So let me click on one of those tables. Right away, Unity Catalog gives you more details about their features, about their schema, etc. But I'm more interested to see what Telmai has to say. So right away, I can see that in the last upload, we had 8.5 million records. We have one ongoing alert. And here are the health KPIs. So completeness is at 100%, correctness is at 88%. Uniqueness and freshness are not calculated. And that's probably based on the configuration of the current table. Now let me try a different table like this New York City taxi trips. And let's see what Telmai has to say. So it says again, the volume of the last upload was 926,000. There are 0 alerts. Completeness at 100%, correctness at 100%, and again, uniqueness and freshness are not calculated. Of course, we can always go to Telmai to get more details about what's going on and investigate the data more. But right away, we just were able to plug in the data with Unity Catalog without having the developers to go back and forth between Telmai and Databricks. Hope this feature was useful for you. And thank you very much for watching this.